Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit Moody Gray filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Contrast to +32. Highlights to -35. Shadows to +10. Whites to -43. Blacks to -25. Go to color. Temperature to +35. Vibrance to +40. Saturation to -5. Go to color mix. First go to color red. Hue to -34. Saturation to +54. Luminance to -3. Go to orange. Saturation to +10. Luminance to +10. Go to yellow. Hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Go to green. Hue to -100. Saturation to -100. Luminance to +43. Go to cyan. Hue to +100. Saturation to -6. Go to blue. Hue to +100. Saturation to -10. Go to magenta. Hue to -40. Saturation to +53. Luminance to +44. Done. Go to split tone. Go to shadows. Hue to 250. Saturation to 41. Blending to 100. Go to highlights. Hue to 225. Saturation to 36. Done. Next go to Effects. Clarity to +20. Vignette to -7. Grain amount to 8. Size to 19. Go to Detail. Sharpening to 10. Color noise reduction to 10. Detail to 70. Smoothness to 70. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.